Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by importing your footage and making a sequence that matches your frame rate because captions must align to frames. Once that's set, open the text panel and choose Transcribe Sequence. Select the correct audio track and language so the engine hears only the target audio. Hit Transcribe and watch progress. This generates the editable transcript you'll convert to captions. Make sure your audio is clear, otherwise the next steps become harder and require more manual fixes. Once the transcript is ready, you will clean it up. Correct mistranscribed words, add punctuation, and set speaker breaks so captions read naturally. Then use Create Captions in the text panel. Choose the caption format you need, for example, SRT Sidecar or Embedded CEA 608. Set maximum characters per line and acceptable duration. After creation, move to the captions track, trim, split, or nudge blocks to match speech precisely, and apply font, size, and background styles so viewers can read easily against any shot. To finish, export your project. File, Export Media. Under Captions, choose Burn Captions into Video or Create Sidecar File, SRT depending on delivery needs. Export and test the file in a player or on the target platform to confirm timing, encoding, and visibility. If captions are off, reopen the sequence and check timebase and frame rate consistency. Small mismatches cause drift. If problems persist, retranscribe with a dedicated audio track or manually adjust caption clip durations to lock them to speech.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.